So, hello, Council Kigeni, you can proceed.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I start by saying thank you very much for the courtesy and the invite. We very much appreciate, most especially, and to you specifically, the courtesy you have shown us. Secondly, may I, by way of starting, introduce both myself and my colleague. My name is Council Kigeni. I represent the governor, together with my learned colleague, Mr. Manasseh Tunen. Thirdly, I want to extend a word of appreciation to you, Honorable MCS, for the courtesy of allowing us in here. And I would also like to say that if I say anything in the defense of His Excellency, it is specifically and solely out of my instructions, or rather our instructions, to defend His Excellency. It has nothing to do with the respect we have for you. And may I just emphasize that we have the highest possible respect for you as MCS and as the Speaker. Mr. Speaker, when you introduced the issue, you put the issue of whether the Speaker will be in attendance and whether he's foregoing his option to represent himself.
Sorry, that's the governor.
Sorry, Governor, Mr. Speaker. I confirm that the governor was on his way here and would have arrived by now, but when he was on his way, he was given notice that there was an order stopping the proceedings, these proceedings. And in the face of the existence of that order, he went back. However, he still in line with the point that he's not foregoing his right to defend himself. Mr. Speaker, sir, you have already adverted to the fact that we filed his statement and defense and his documents dated 30th September 2024. It is our position, therefore, Mr. Speaker, sir, that in the face of the order, this proceeding should be halted. However, if at the end of the court proceedings and at the end of the judge decides that this matter should come back here, we will be relying on that statement and we will not be foregoing his right to defend himself. Mr. Speaker, sir, may I also just go on record as acknowledging the observations you made at the start of these proceedings, being that you are in receipt of a letter from 16 MCAs, and the effect of which is that out of the 47 MCAs that this honorable plenary ordinarily